All right, we're 2 minutes away from potentially entering on the opening range breakout. This is my June, which has been awesome. I started on the 2nd of June using my Edgeful settings. Friday, I had one other setup that I had made with ChatGPT and did not work out. So I've decided for the rest of June, I'm only using the current setups and optimizing those from Edgeful for opening range. But how much time we got left? We got 1 minute, 30 seconds. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 winners. The win rate on Thursdays, 86%. And overall, I think I'm like 85%. So in theory, I'm gonna have a loser soon. There's no doubt about it. Is today going to be that day? I don't know. But I was going to size up, but I'm going to stay with it for end of June. I'm going to size up tomorrow. So I'm going into this more hesitant than I would want because I'm on a pretty good win streak. Minus the one day. We got 10 out of 11 trades, a winner, and a good month going. I started sizing up on the 16th. So for the prop firm challenge, 30 seconds left, I'm going to have to still stay so small because the max drawdown is only 332, where my stop loss is to actually get a trade in. I'm only using 3 MNQs, so it's going to be, even if we win, it's going to be like $100 something. We're going to have to slowly crawl back, but that's a struggle. That's why these prop firms make their money, and it's unless you trade almost gambling, it's really hard to make money. 2, 1, in. All right, we're in. Now we chill. Make sure everything's set properly. Check my settings. That's the first thing I do. $22569.25. 22569.125. So even closer fill. Oh, we're out. Bang. Winner. That's the quickest trade I've had on this channel ever. So, all right. We're out 950. Love it. Love it. Love it. Let's see if they're out. $70 winner. But it was a win for the prop firm challenge. There you go. That was a quick day, but easier than I expected. Wish I sized up. So it says that today is the 26th. It was 9:33. We were at 9:50. All right, this is an easier day than I thought. Let's go. Finishing the month. So I don't trade on Fridays, so this month is going to be awesome. Add 933 here. I'll update that, and I think we'll be at around 8K for the month, slowly sizing up. And then July, I'll keep moving up and see if we can get this prop firm challenge rocking. Thanks to everyone that has subscribed, liked this video. I'll go more in depth of how I'm thinking of the opening range breakout. And one last thought is I was listening to a podcast on the way in, and you know, all these discretionary traders where you watch the chart and you try to guess or predict where it's going to go. Every day I have no clue where it's going to go. I've got one setup, and the only thing that's showing me with any confidence of whether it's going to go in any direction is the backtest. So I've completely moved away from any kind of chart watching indicators outside of the opening range. You don't actually need Edgeful algo. I like it for the backtesting. And in theory, you can trade any style you want, but if you can't backtest it, how do you know it's going to work? And I think that's where I failed for so long, is I was trying just to watch charts, watch indicators, think I knew what was going to happen. But unless you have enough data and become mechanical, I don't know how you can trade and be profitable. So anyways, this video is kind of all over because that trade happened quick. But appreciate you guys. Easy trade today, and ended the month strong. So subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Appreciate all 89 of you. So far, they have. Really means a lot.